Hello, I am Vaibhav Jain, Global Head, AMD Ecosystem Business Unit at HCLTech. We are at a point where AI is no longer experimental. It is becoming core to how enterprises operate. As enterprises move from AI POCs to production at scale, whether transforming the software development lifecycle, accelerating drug discovery, or building digital twins for physical AI, one thing remains constant. Enterprises need high-performing, flexible, and cost-effective solutions across full stack, from applications to compute to silicon. HCLTech AI Factory, advanced by AMD, is designed to meet that need. It's a full-stack, engineering-led offering that enables clients to design, build, and operate AI environments for on-premises, hybrid cloud, edge, and sovereign environments. Imagine what if a customer is able to reduce model training time and inferencing time by 25%, while lowering the cost of ownership by over 30%. This is the kind of impact this partnership is designed to deliver. Built on a blueprinted operating model and supported by our strong partner ecosystem, it helps clients overcome barriers to scale, including fragmented infrastructure, platform complexity, governance gaps, and rising costs. Together with AMD, HCLTech delivers energy-efficient, high-performance compute and scalable AI infrastructure, coupled with our deep expertise across AI, engineering, and hybrid cloud to deploy and operate environments at enterprise scale. The impact is measurable: faster deployment of production-grade AI use cases, better utilization of GPU and CPU resources for AI workloads, stronger security and governance, lower cost of ownership, and greater long-term flexibility. Through our innovation labs with AMD, we help clients validate AI use cases faster and bring solutions to the market with greater confidence. At HCLTech, we believe that the future of enterprise AI will be interoperable, integrated, and outcome-led. Together with AMD, we are helping organizations turn AI ambition to AI at scale.